In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Windows 11 Defender temporarily. This is useful if you're troubleshooting, installing a trusted app that's being flagged, or running a tool that needs unrestricted access. Keep in mind, this is a temporary change for a specific task. While real-time protection is off, avoid browsing unknown sites or downloading files you don't fully trust. First, open Settings. You can click the Start button and choose the gear icon, or press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once Settings is open, look to the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. This section contains your system's safety and permissions controls. Next, click Windows Security. This page provides shortcuts into the Windows Security app, which manages built-in protections like antivirus and firewall. Now, click Open Windows Security. This launches the dedicated app where all the protection areas are listed. Inside the Windows Security app, choose Virus and Threat Protection. This is where Microsoft Defender Antivirus manages scans and real-time monitoring. Scroll if needed, then find the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Under that, click Manage Settings. This opens the detailed controls that determine how your antivirus behaves day to day. Here, locate Real-Time Protection. This feature constantly checks files and processes as they run. To temporarily disable it, turn the Real-Time Protection switch off. When you do, Windows will display a confirmation prompt to make sure you understand the change. Confirm the prompt. You may also see a notice indicating your device is more vulnerable while this is off. That's expected. If you're asked for administrator approval, choose Yes to proceed. At this point, real-time scanning is paused, allowing you to complete the task that required it. Work efficiently and only run software you fully trust. If you can, stay offline while protection is disabled, and avoid opening email attachments or visiting unfamiliar websites. A few quick tips for clarity. The interface may look slightly different depending on your Windows build, but the wording and locations are generally the same. If you don't see the toggles, make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to change security settings. When you're done with your task, return to the same real-time protection switch and turn it back on. Windows may also automatically re-enable it after some time or a restart, which is normal behavior designed to keep your system safe. That's it. You've temporarily turned off Windows 11 Defender and can now proceed with your specific troubleshooting or installation needs.